Hey guys, how we doing today? In today's video, we're gonna go over how to change your username on Facebook since they made a couple of updates and now it's a little bit complicated to do it. I wouldn't call it complicated. All you gotta do is just do it once and then you'll know how to do it from there on. So let's just get right into it. All you have to do is pretty simple. So right now we're on our Facebook page, and this is from your desktop. So I click on my profile, or I can click on settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. I click on settings, and from there it's going to take me to settings of the Facebook profile. um I think that you'll notice here is that you won't be able to manage your personal information. Like, you are not going to be able to go on your name and change it or do such a thing anymore. So what you have to do now is click on see more in account center right by the meta. Click over here. So we're gonna click there and it's gonna automatically take us to account center on the meta version of it. So from here you don't really have to do not much. It's just click on your name right there, click on name, and you will be able to change your name. Unfortunately, I can't change mine because I just did it not too long ago. So you just gotta know that if you change it, you won't be able to change it on the next 60 days. So like it says, don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words, because you would have to wait at least 2 months to be able to change your name again. Um, yeah, pretty simple video. If you guys are struggling with this, you just watch it as many times as you want, or even show it to your friends. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Have a great day.